Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, where I review websites and apps to make money online. Most platforms I mention will pay you via PayPal, gift cards, cryptocurrencies, and much more. In today's video, I will make a full review of RewardingWays, a website to make money completing surveys and offers. To sign up, click on the link in the description below and click on Join Free. Enter your information, such as your name, username, email address, and create a password. They will also ask you for your home address to prevent users creating multiple accounts. You can also enter how you want to get paid, so you can fill in your PayPal email address, your Bitcoin wallet, etc. But you can of course change these later on after you register. You need to be at least 18 years old to join, and like other similar websites, make sure you never use a proxy or VPN. Once you've entered all your information, just click on register. There are currently over 527,000 members, and RewardingWays paid a total of over $2 million. So this is the homepage of the website, and if you've seen some of my previous videos, you will notice that it looks a lot like another survey website I mentioned recently called SuperPayMe. These two websites are very similar, but you can subscribe to both. There is also another one called OfferNation that is similar, and I will put the links in the description if you're interested. RewardingWays is available worldwide, just like SuperPayMe and OfferNation, but the amount of good paying surveys will usually depend on your demographics. As you can see, I have $1.59 and 44.85 points. Some surveys will pay you directly in dollars and others in points. So the first thing you want to do if you earn points by completing surveys on offer is to convert your points to dollars. Just click on Convert Points Cash, then enter your available points to convert them to cash. Decimals are not transferable, so if like me you have decimal points, you will need to wait until you have whole numbers. So I now have $2.03, and my 0.85 points are still available. So once I complete more surveys, I will be able to transfer them to cash. The minimum withdrawal amount is only $1, so I have enough to redeem them to my PayPal account, but I will do this later on once I explain how this website works. To start earning, go to Earn Money on the top, and my advice is to go to the popular surveys first. There you will have a list of different survey platforms you can complete. On the right, you will often see the latest CPX surveys. On the top, out of those 4 different survey platforms, I will show you my personal favorite. Theorem Reach is one of those platforms that will always give you at least 1 point, even if you don't qualify. Also, you can increase by 10% the amount of points you earn if you complete this very first 1-minute survey. CPX Research has one of the best paid surveys where you can often earn over $1 per survey completed. And where I live, Peanut Labs is the one that usually has the most amount of surveys available. In the offer walls, you can also complete surveys, but also tasks such as installing and playing games on your phone by completing a certain level to earn points. Like this one, for example, where you will earn 487 points from completing level 21, or this one where you can earn over 1000 points for reaching level 81. All different platforms will have different games, offers, etc. Just browse around and see which pays the most. The earnings and offers you see here could be different depending on where you live. In the referral section, you can earn 25% of your referral earnings, and your referrals will earn 20 cents when signing up, so it's beneficial for both. You will find your referral link here, and you can also hide your username if you wish by clicking here. This will basically change your username by numbers instead. If you have a website, you can copy those codes that include your referral link to promote RewardingWays. In the contest section, $1,000 is given to whoever earns the most amount of cash within a specific amount of time. Entry is free and all members are included automatically. This first member already earned $330, so he will likely earn the $350 prize. The contest started on June 1st, 2021, and today is June 5th, meaning this user earned $330 in only 4 days. As you can see, I'm at the very bottom of the list, as I've only earned $1.83 within that time period, so I'm not even in the top 20. In Rewards and Account Balance, you can see the history of your earnings. It shows the points I converted to cash a few minutes ago, and the 2 latest surveys I've completed from CPX Research. In the FAQ, you will see the most common answers to your questions. Anyone over the age of 18 can join RewardingWays. Can I have multiple accounts? No, only 1 account is allowed per person or household. Why is my account marked as cheater? If this happens to you and you're not sure why, you can contact the support there. How long does it take to get paid? Up to 24 hours, but more commonly, in less than 8 hours. What are your points worth? 1 point is worth 1 cent, and 100 points equals $1. As you can see, there are many answered questions in this section. I will now go back to the home page to restore my balance. As I mentioned earlier, the minimum payout is only $1 with PayPal. I have $2.03, however, a 2% fee will be applied when requesting a payout. So I should receive $1.99. If you use PayPal, make sure your PayPal email address is written here, then click on Restore. It looks like there is a bug on the website, and it took me a few seconds to realize I could scroll down to continue. So because it's my first time withdrawing from this website, I need to enter my country and phone number. This is a one-time thing only. Once you verified your account, you will no longer have to go through this step. So select your country and your phone number, then click on Call Me. There was an error, as you can see. I'm not sure why, so I will try again. So I've now received the call from RewardingWays with my PIN. Then click on Verify. I paused the video for a bit, as it took about 1 minute to redirect me to this page. Your withdrawal request has been added to the pending list. The request will be reviewed, and once verified, it will be sent within 24 hours. In my experience, if it's the same as SuperPayMe and OfferNation, this should not take that long, but I will pause the recording anyways and get back to you with my payment proof. I'm now back. It's been about 20 minutes and I received this email from PayPal confirming I got paid $1.99 from RewardingWays. I've already connected to my PayPal account, and as you can see, 99 Ventures, which is the company that deals with payments from RewardingWays, paid me $1.99. So as you can see, this website is legit and the minimum payout is very low. So it's one of the fastest ways to earn your first dollar online. This website won't make you rich, but it's a great way to earn a little side income. There is high earning potential if you're dedicated, but this shouldn't be enough to quit your job just yet. I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you soon.